yeah, I'm here, and me living without eating my favorite dish is impossible. Though I just came here to, shoot and carry my ordered cake, it's impossible that I'm gonna leave this place without eating my favorite dish.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a decent bakery in North Bengaluru, especially in and around Nagavara, I've got a good news today.
Guess what? Today I am in my favorite pastry shop, that is Amma's Pastry, New Karnataka. This is newly opened just 5 years back in Nagavara. We often come here on every Sunday and I really enjoy their food. That is the reason I thought I must show this to our viewers. So we are going to try paneer puff first. This is one of my favorite dish. Every time I come here, I definitely try this food. And if you are someone who stays near Nagavara, I would give you a best landmark, that is Elements Mall. It's very close to Elements Mall. If you just walk a little ahead, you'll find a restaurant called Devi Vaibhav or Devi Grand something. A little ahead of it, Dry Fruit House, and I think the shopkeeper will give you a better idea.
Elements Mall nearby, Dry Fruit House, Amma Pastries, New Karnataka.
So you heard it. I'll also give the details in the description. You can click the description and then you can check the complete address. So let me first try. Let me take a first bite. As I said, it is like very crispy and very yummy. Just look at it. So we are going to try another dish suggested by the shopkeeper Anna. Yenadu sir?
Special rusk ಇಂದ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. 5 years 6 years ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ರಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
So on shopkeeper recommendation, I'm trying this rusk. Look at it, it looks so beautiful. It's very long. I've never seen this long rusk actually. Looks interesting as well. It's very crispy. I'm sure it will be very tasty with coffee, tea or whatever. I'll definitely have it with coffee. As you all know, I'm a coffee lover. Amazing, mind-blowing.
These are some other dishes that they make. This particular dish is called veg puff. This is apple cake, one of my favorites. I always love apple cake here. This is apparently choco lava is what they told me. They also have donuts, and look at the size of the donut. It is really huge. I can actually fall in love with it, and I am going to taste it as well.
Now I'm going to try donut. This is actually the first time that I'm trying. I generally have other junkies like egg puff and all that, and yeah, I thought why not try some sweet as well. I asked Anna to cut it into small pieces because I didn't want to spoil my lipstick, to be very honest. That's why. See, mind-blowing. It's no less than any other donut shop that I have ever had. Sometimes we are so much after brands and brands that we tend to forget the local vendors. They make such amazing job. Look at the size of the donut. Can you see? When I keep it right next to my face, it's that huge. And look at the amount of chocolate on top of the donut. I purely fell in love with it. Amazing.
This particular dish is called aloo bun, and look how soft and yummy it looks.
Now I'm gonna try some aloo bun. See, even these are very huge. I think almost everything here is worth the price, and that is one of the reason I always visit here on every weekend. Almost every Sunday evening we come here, buy some snacks, go home, have it with coffee or tea, have dinner, and that's it. We're done with the Sunday, the weekend. See, you can actually make out the size of it when I keep it next to my face. This is aloo bun. It's hot and of course very nice. So yeah, if you're living anywhere near Nagavara or North Bangalore, basically, you can definitely visit this place. Even if you're not living anywhere near Nagavara, you can definitely consider visiting this place, because I would definitely recommend. This is one of my go-to all-time favorite bakeries.
So this is the Valentine's Day pastry cake that I'd ordered here. It looks very cute and nice, isn't it? They also have some more collections. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. As you can see it yourself, they have wide varieties of pastries and other items. And yeah, of course, in case if you want a customized cake, you can place an order with them a day before or so. Or you know, if you're in a hurry, you did not have time to order and all of that, you can just randomly walk in and buy a ready-made cake that they have it in their bakery. So if you're hosting a birthday party or you know any kind of party, basically I think this particular bakery would actually come in handy, because not just the pastry cake, they also have other snacks like chips, puffs, aloo bun, etc, etc. Definitely one of the best thing, right? If you're inviting some guests over for any kind of function wherein you're going to cut a cake, you're not gonna just offer them a cake, you are going to offer them some more items. So yeah, you can definitely consider visiting this place in that way. Look at these freshly baked bread. Look how soft and spongy it is. Anyhow, I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe right away and press the bell icon. And if you're already a subscriber, please show your support by giving a thumbs up, like, comment and share. See you next time, folks. Bye bye.